Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
So this is the vehicle in question. This is our approved used Audi A6 Saloon Sport 40 TDI Quattro. This particular vehicle is finished in the black paintwork, which has really given it that standout road appearance. Now, as a look towards the key features, and with this being the Sport Edition, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling around, such as the front bumper, rear bumper and the side profile. As well as this, you do get the chrome accents such as the rear diffuser, window surrounds and Audi badging. Now moving on to the exterior key features, we found these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we do find these fantastic 5-star spoke design alloys finished in the satin aluminium, and they do really complement the black paintwork, as well as offering a fantastic ride quality. Moving into the rear boot space, where we do find up to 530 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a saloon of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Taking a look into the rear now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional black stitch to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. But there's also the upgraded Bang & Olufsen stereo, a part of the comfort and sound package, which is also come in the rear of the vehicle. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, aluminium and carbon fibre. This being the sports model, it does mean you get these full black leather seats which are of a sporty design and are very comfortable. You have the running tram lines running downwards. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured 2 digital rev counters on the virtual display, which can also access the navigation as well as telephone connectivity. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which has also featured the satellite navigation. You can even access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is touch sensitive. And you do also get the heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. Now to the screen above once again we do find the optional 360 cameras and 3D surround view, which just make this A6 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces.
So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.